Since we got a lot of CBD oil companies that use us, I'm going to show you kind of an example how you can use our drag and drop editor. So I'm going to show you how to build the CBD oil, real fast with our new drag and drop builder, which is absolutely awesome. Okay, so I'm going to start by picking a background image. I'm going to go into the hemp section, okay, and maybe I'll grab this bad boy here, hit confirm. All right, now we got a hemp page. So a lot of things that CBD oil talks about is like pain. So I'm just going to Google got pain or something. Okay, look for again non-copyrighted things you can use, and try to find something here. Let me try body pain. Just pain, maybe. Okay. Let's say I'll just take this picture for example. I mean, there's probably all kinds in here, but just looking through here, like this chronic back pain, for example, might be something good. Yeah, maybe you want to hit this here, chronic back pain. Copy image address. Come over here, edit components, take the picture. I'm just going to drop it here, edit, paste the picture. I'm going to go at 50%, hit save. Bam, right there. What I might do too is, let's say, I'm just going to delete these here real quick. Just delete component, yes. Delete component, yes. Okay. And I'm going to add, because this would be more of a landing page too, I'm going to take the form off. So hit form none, okay? And I am just going to Google CBD products, or CBD oils. I don't know which one you're in or not, okay? But I'm just going to grab any picture because this could be your brand, okay? As opposed to whatever I'm going to show here. I'm not looking up any certain company at all. I'm just trying to find them. Okay, so let's say this was your company. And I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to hit Edit Components, drag and drop another picture in, edit content, make it 50%, hit Save. Okay. Now, let's start editing things. Edit content. Stop living in pain. Our product is a proven pain reliever. Now, you got to be careful what you say because you can't make medical claims. Okay, has nothing to do with our capture pages. That has more to do with, I'm going to darken this up too. That has more to do with your company, okay? So now what you can do. You can edit components, and then I can hit this. See all of our CBD oil testimonials. See, I was able to drag and drop that over there too. Okay, cool. Then I can add this. And then if I wanted to add again, edit components, grab the text, stop editing here. Maybe I want to put a video. Watch this video. And then I go over here and I go CBD oil pain relief. Of course, you would know all your own videos that are out there. I don't have a clue what is what.
Hi, guys.
Okay. So, and obviously this probably isn't the same. All right. Obviously this video I'm about to put in probably isn't the same product, but this is just an example here. So I drop this video in, hit content, paste, turn off related videos, hit save, bam. Okay, so you threw in a picture above. You can say you could add text in here. It has CBD in the background or hemp in the background. You could add your pictures of your product. Then you could add your video, and then down here you could write something like order this amazing product now on the button below. Of course, you could add your phone number. You could add social networking links, all the above. Okay, and then what we're going to do now is you would just change the button. You'd probably say order now, because you might want to build a page just for customers. This would be more like a customer type of page, maybe not a business type of page. And the background, I can make the button red. I can make it green. Let's make it green just to pop here. Box shadows, I'm going to make black. And the text, I'm also going to make black on the button. And then the redirect here, you would just put in right over here, redirect URL. You would just type in the name of your, wherever they can go, mycbdoilpage.com. And, you can add your social networking links, but you got the hemp in the background. You could add as many pics as you want. Now, you don't have to make your text as big either. I did like big headers here. But if you want to add smaller text, remember, on the edit components, you could add small paragraphs like that. You could add, text this small right there. You could add, this text here. And just because this is yellow, remember, you can change the color, any color you want, like that. So you can change all the colors, you can change all the fonts, the size of the text, all that kind of stuff. So you can do that as well. Delete component there. Oh, I accidentally deleted the video. See? Should have known. But you could change all this stuff here. And also remember, you can change one word here. If I want to make pain in red, I can, just like that. So the drag and drop, you see how easy it was? Drag, drop, drag, drop, drag, drop. Again, I'm going to show you. Hit the edit components button. I'm going to add that video again. Bam, add the video. Copy the video link, hit edit, paste it, save, that's it. Then you name your page, put your redirect URL, hit save, then you'll get your URL to use. How many people do you know in the CBD business that would love to create all kinds of awesome pages showing their product videos? And again, with the drag and drop, they can add as many pictures as they want, they can add as many videos as they want, they can do whatever they want on these new drag and drop pages. So if you know anybody in the CBD oil business, it would be very wise to show them the power of the conversion pros in the drag and drop editor. All right?